of Toyota, there are two important pillars. One is just in time. What is just in time? The material arrives only when there is a demand. As soon as the material arrives, then all the activities happens, and then product is produced. And then as soon as it is produced, it is delivered. No inventory. No inventory of raw material, no inventory of finished product, but we handle all the orders very effectively and very efficiently. That is called just in time. How is it possible? Ensure continuous flow, monitor the takt time. What is takt time? The rate at which you need to produce products so that the delivery can always happen on time. Produce products at a particular rate which will ensure you deliver on time. At the same time, your production also completes in a particular fashion that as soon as you produce, it is delivered. There is no inventory. There is no need of warehouse at all. Right? And pull system. Imagine a coffee vending machine. When the coffee vending machine will give you a coffee, you have to put money. You put 10 rupee coin, it gives you a coffee. When it will give you the next coffee, you put another 10 rupee coin. Then it will give you one more coffee. This is called a pull system. Isn't it? Very, very, very important. So same way you make your organization function. Quick changeover. Quick changeover. I produce some products and all of a sudden I get order for some other product. I'm processing order and all of a sudden I get another order. What we do generally? We accept the order, we deny the order. What are we supposed to do? Can somebody answer? We are producing, our line is busy producing product A, and now another new order comes for product B. What are we supposed to do? We need to accept the order or deny the order.
Accept the order.
Need to accept the order. But your entire facility is engaged producing A, but demand is for B. So what is important is quick changeover. How quickly you can change over from A to B? Do you really have the capability? No, sir, it is not possible. It takes 5 days for me to change the settings. And within 5 days, your customer will buy from your competitor. So quick changeovers are definitely important, right? And this is one side is just in time. Other side is Jidoka. What is Jidoka?
Sir, can you explain pull system again?
The pull system is you produce only when there is a demand. Produce only when there is a demand.
Okay.
Only when you ask a question, I will go in detail. No question asked, then I don't go detail. Something like that. You run your machine only when somebody requires the output from the machine. It could be your colleague. It could be your colleague. If your assembly fellow doesn't need products, they already have surplus. They are yet to assemble. Then you stop
inventory, sir?
Yeah. See, everything will finally, reduce your inventory, make you just in time.
Okay, sir.
Good question. So on the other side is Jidoka. Jidoka is, some way of visualization. For example, I also wanted all of you to be on video. You know why? If all of you be on video, automatically you will be focused. Am I correct? If you are on video, there is no other go. You need to be focused because I will be seeing you. And then something like that. Same way, if a machine is under trouble, there has to be some mechanism by which it should immediately come to the surface. Maybe you can make a red color light to glow. If the red color light glows, then everybody will come to know. The manager will come to know. The maintenance team will come to know. Your chairman walking this side, he will come to know. What will happen? The problem will get solved. All right. So, and then, or a Jidoka is nothing but visualizing. See, you can see, and then built-in quality, the mistake proofing system. All these things are one way or other way, visually managing things. On the highway, we see red color light, yellow color light, and green color light. We get alerted, isn't it, by seeing the red color. Same way, can you bring such a culture within your company? And of course, continuous improvement. That is also important. That will happen if you involve people and then make them work in team. And then see one way or the other way, all of them are either working on just in time or working on Jidoka. All right. And Heijunka is leveling. Heijunka is leveling. What is leveling? I have 3 machines. Requirement is 3000 unit. I have 3 machines. Requirement is 3000 unit. Now, how should I use the machine? Can I produce 1000 from each machine? Or can I produce 2000 from first machine, 750 from second machine, 250 from third machine? Which is a great idea.
Depending upon the machine capacity, sir.
Yeah, I said you have 3 machines. 3 machines, let's say equal machines. Always, if you load anything beyond the capacity, that will die. That's called a waste. Right? We should never go beyond the capacity. Always we should load only according to the capacity. And now leveling is when you have 3 machines, when the demand is 3000, see to that you load all the 3 machines equally. When you load all the 3 machines equally, you know what will happen? Your cycle time will come down. Cycle time of manufacturing will come down and the lead time of manufacturing will come down. And as a result, your customer will get served faster. This is called leveling. And leveling will also reduce your risk. For example, the situations like lockdown and other things, when you don't level it and overload a resource and that resource will die. It can be the whole company. Always leveling is important. That's why we need to have some network of suppliers, vendors to support us. It's not that we can do everything and then load ourselves fully and then die one day. No, we have to be survive every situation. So leveling is important. So that is called production leveling. And similarly, stabilize the process. Stabilizing is nothing but gaining statistical control. If you can't gain control over something, you can't improve anything. If you can't gain control over anything you are doing, then you can't improve anything you are doing, right? So stability is gaining the control. And that's where the control chart comes into picture. What is control chart is monitoring. It is monitoring the stability in the result. The results have to be stable. I produce 100 mm length. It should be 100 mm always. It should never give 105 or it should never give 95. If it goes above, then a problem. If it comes below, then also problem. I need stable result. I will plot a control chart. And so see to that, always it is 100, around the 100. So stabilize and then standardize and then continuously improve. We call it Kaizen. So these are all the learnings from Toyota, and this is collectively called what? Toyota Production System. Is that all the principles are really good and required for our company? I'm a hospital. I'm a marketing company. I'm into sales. I'm into production. All of you need this. I hope all of you will agree with me. The result is highest level of quality, lowest cost, shortest lead time, empowered employees, best safety, high morale. As a team, you will be motivated. You will be proud of working in such a company. I mean, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now it's a question time.